Hello, my name is Amit and we are learning Tableau. We are discussing module 10, working with parameter in Tableau. So parameter are dynamic value that allow user to change calculation, filter, chart, reference line interactively. Creating parameter. What is parameter? A parameter is a single value that can be used in calculation, filter and reference line. Example, select top and customer, change sales target, switch between sales and profit, change chart type. Step to create a parameter. Step 1. Open a Tableau public, drag and drop cells into the column, subcategory into the rows, then right click on a subcategory and sort, then choose sort by field plus descending. Let's do it. So already we have a global superstore data here, uploaded here, and I open the sheet 1. Now according to the instruction, drag and drop cells into the column, and subcategory category into the rows. So we get a bar chart. Now then right click on a subcategory and sort, then choose sort by field plus descending. Sort, descending and field, sort by field. So it's arranged descending order. Drag subcategory into the filter and right click and click edit filter. Okay, so we get this. Then choose top to bottom and then choose by field, then click OK. Top to bottom, choose by field and then click. See here, top 10. Apply. OK. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Top 10. Out of all of this subcategory, we get a top 10. In the data pane, right click and create parameter. So this is a top 10 list. Now we are going to create a parameter. How to create a parameter? So in a data pane, right click and select create parameter. This is a data pane, this area, and here we have to click. So whenever we click here, we get a create calculated field and create parameter, these two things. So we have to create on create parameter. Okay, now we have to give a name to the parameter. So here name should be sales target. After that, type of data type float, already there. Current value should be 50,000. 50,000. Okay, so here also 50,000, and display format number, already 50,000. Click OK. So a parameter is created here. Now right click parameter and select show parameter. How to show? Here, click on this small arrow and show parameter. Now our parameter is visible here. If I make this 1 lakh, so parameter change. If you want, we can make again 50,000. Okay. So this way we create a parameter. Fine. Now if you want, you can drag, where is the subcategory, into the color. It will look different color. Now parameter in calculation. So we created a parameter. Now we can create a calculation in a parameter. Open a new sheet. So parameter can be used inside a calculated field. So profit bonus calculation. Create a parameter, give name, bonus percent value like this. Let's go. So create a parameter whose name is bonus, profit bonus calculation. You know already how to create a parameter. Go to data pane, click on this. So create parameter. Profit bonus calculation. Okay. After that, bonus percent value. So it should be float is okay. Then value. For value, we have to create a list, and 5, then 10, then 15, then 20. Okay, so we created a profit bonus calculation, and this is the percentage. Click OK. Now profit bonus calculation, we created a second parameter. First we already created in first sheet, and this is the second parameter. Now how to create a calculated field. So how to create a calculated field? Either go to the calculated field here, or directly click on this. Click on the arrow on the parameter and go to create and create field. Now give the name of calculated field. It should be bonus percent calculator. Bonus percent. Okay, already here you have seen that bonus profit calculation, because this is a parameter. Now we have to do sum of profit into bonus percent divided by 100. So here sum sum of profit into bonus percent, how to give, divided by 100, and okay. Here parameter is here and calculated field is here. So profit bonus calculator parameter and bonus percent calculated. Now drag calculation into worksheet. Before that, let's visualize the parameter. Go and show parameter. So our parameter is visible here, 5, 10, 15, 20 like this. And now drag calculated into the worksheet. Now user can change the bonus percent dynamically. Just drag this bonus percent into this field. Leave. Drag and leave. Now this is the value right now, 73,373. Now if I change, it's change. Again, it's change. Again, for 20, it's change. Okay. So this way we can create a parameter and we can use a calculated field. Fine. Third is using parameter with the filter. So parameter can be act like a dynamic filter. So we can select top and customer. How to create a parameter, give a name, top and value. Let's do it. Top end, this is the name of parameter. I already know how to create a parameter. Go to next sheet. Here, create a parameter, top and customer. Top and customer. Customer. Okay, the value should be 5, 10, 20, like that. So I'm going to make this integer and click on list. Then create a list of 5, 10, 20, 15, 20, 25 and 30. Okay, after that click on OK. Fine. So top and customer here. Now create a calculated field like rank sum of cells less than equal to top n. So click on this arrow in a parameter, create field, calculated field. Name of field should be uh, top and customer calculation 1, top underscore n, customer customer. We already top and customer parameter is visible here in a blur manner. Now rank sum of cells, rank sum of sales and should be greater less than equal to top and customer. Place calculated field on the cell. Okay, just click OK. Here calculation 1, top and customer. So this is the parameter and this is a calculated field. Now place calculated field on the filter cell and make it true. This one and filter cell, make it true here. So now user can choose 5 top to 20. I just made it top to 30. Okay, so click OK. First I create on parameter. Show the parameter here. So list of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, like that, and our calculated field is this one. Now, so I'm going to drag and drop into this area. Okay, sheet 3, true. If I change 10, 20, wait. So subcategory and sales or profit, and like this we have to click on this. So let's suppose subcategory into column. What happened? It's hang. category. Something goes wrong with this. Let me choose another page. I think it's hanged. Wait, let me open the new Tableau. So here we have calculated field top and customer and calculation top and customer. So now drag subcategory into the column and sum of sales into the rows. So parameter here. Now we can choose end customers. See, top 15 like this. So this way we can choose parameter with the filter. After that we have column selection parameter. So allow user to switch between measure. So create a parameter sales versus profit and measure selector. So let's go to the next page. Go to the data pane, click on this arrow, create parameter and sales versus profit. Then we have to choose list. So here we can choose data type as a string and click on list. And what kind of list? Sales, profit, quantity, anything else? That's it. Sales, profit and quantity. 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 Click OK. So we created a parameter sales versus profit. Now click on this. So parameter here we get a list. Now create a calculated field and put this formula. Let's click on this arrow, create calculated field, calculation 2 and it should be sales versus profit. Profit and we have a case measure selector. Okay, so case here, write here case. Then after that, I just copy all the formulas. When sales, then sum of sales. When profit, sum of profit. When quantity, sum of quantity, and int. Okay, so everything is prepared. Click OK. Now we have a calculation here. Now drag calculation field to the row, and user can switch to the sales and profit. Calculation to the rows. Okay, now if I change, so this is, touch this. Now if I change to the profit, if I change quantity, so we can switch from column selector parameter. We can switch the column, profit column, sales column, quantity column. Okay, if I add something like let's suppose category or subcategory into column, and if I change, yes, fine. So this is called column selector parameter. After that we have chart selection parameter. So allow user to change chart type dynamically, bar chart versus line chart. So create a parameter chart type. Let's open a new page. Go to data pane, select this, create parameter chart type. Chart type, then value, line and bar. Go to list. I think this should be string. Bar, line, click OK. Now click on this arrow. So parameter, here we can choose parameter as a line or bar. After that, calculated field. So if chart is bar, sum of sales. If chart is field, sum of line. Okay. So do it one by one. So first create field. Create field. Chart type. If chart type equal to bar, then sum of sales int. Click OK. Calculation 3 bar. Okay. Now another calculation. Create calculated field. Calculation 4 line. If chart type equal to line, Okay, now we created two calculated field, line and bar here, bar and line, and parameter chart type. Use both field and control visibility through the parameter. So bar for bar chart, line for line chart, area chart, like that. So example image, let's try. Let's suppose I use category into column and sum of sales into this area. Okay, and maybe this bar type. Okay, if I try to change it, yeah, it's gone because it should be bar. Same way, if I put, where is the line chart? And if I use order date, okay, try. Okay, it's created, but it's choose according to the highest priority. Okay, fine. So this way we can create the parameter with chart. Now the other topic is how to use parameter in a reference line. Okay, one more topic is here. How to use parameter with a filter selection. So go to sheet 4, create a parameter whose name is minimum sales. Minimum sales. Okay, then range. Float is okay. Range. Click on range. Minimum should be 0. Maximum should be 50,000. Okay, and even we can choose this step size should be 50, and then calculated field. So click OK. Now minimum sales parameter. If you want, we can activate this. No problem. Just create a parameter calculated field. Calculation 5, and name is minimum sales. Sales, fine. And then sum of sales is less than or equal to minimum sales. Sum sales greater than equal to minimum sales. Click OK. Okay, so we created. Now how to see the parameter? Just click on this, right click, show parameter. Now it's visible to us. Now if we increase, it can increase like this. Okay, now if I use again subcategory into this column and sales, where is the sales, into this bar row. Okay, when I increase this, wait, if I activate this data level, when I change. And calculated field should be this one. Great. If we change it, it should be changed. Wait, if I put this into the filter, make this true, already true, click OK. It's not changing, I don't know why. If I make this on a size, now it's changing. So here, make this smaller. So basically we can use this way. Okay. After that we have the last topic, which is about how to use parameter in a reference line. So reference line become dynamic using parameter sales target line. So create a parameter sales target. Let's create a sales target. Then value should be 50,000. Okay. Display format already become this. Now step to create a field. So just a click OK. Now create a calculated field. Under that sales target, name of the created field. Go to this, create, and calculation 6, sales target. target. This is sales target, that's all. Click OK. We got a calculation 6 sales target. Now right click to the axis, first drag this and drop into this. Okay, and if I use sales target, right click axis, add reference line. Okay, then scope, enter value, sales target. Click OK. Wait. Axis. Okay, reference line. Here, sales and the date. Okay, so where is the order date? Here, and sales. Okay, and so sales by line, reference line, sales target. Where is sales target? Here. So the parameter. Okay. This should be month wise, so I'm going to change it and choose the graph bar. Make this row sales is fine. Yeah. Month and sales. Okay, now it's okay, fine. After that, right click to the axis and select reference line. Here, reference line, done, and then configure. Sales target, then label should be custom, and then click OK. See here, this is a line, this line, 50,000 target. So it's already bigger. If I make this 1,50,000, see, it's go up. I'm going to increase this by 1,60,000. 1,50,000. So it's created a sales target by 1,50,000. If I change to the 60,000, why it's not taking? Okay. Yeah, it rises. Okay, so this way we create a using parameter reference line. Okay, so this is a reference line we have created, and this is about the entire topic. Thank you very much.